That Krishna came in form of Mahaprabhu to give you Krishna. Take Krishna. You want Krishna? Are you crying for Krishna? Are you in need of Krishna? Huh? Are you really feeling the need of getting Krishna? Are you really in need of it? Huh? If you are really hungry, you are in need of food. Isn't it? You'll be running hither and thither. Where is food? Where is food? Where is food? You cannot sit silently. Huh? Can you sit silently if there is hunger in your stomach? You'll read, where is food? Where is food? Where is food? Run hither and thither. Isn't it? If you're really thirsty, you must shout for water. Pani, pani, pani. Where is water? Where is water? Run hither and thither. You cannot sit silently. Huh? Because so much thirst is there. I must quench my thirst. Huh? I must satisfy my hunger. Huh? You are really hungry for Krishna? You are really thirsty for Krishna? Do you feel so? I need Krishna. I am in urgent need of Krishna. Do you need so? So, how can you get Krishna? How can you get Krishna? Tell me. You will never fail. If you don't feel such necessity, how can you get Krishna? Can you? No.